Have you ever wondered how aluminum foil is made? This shiny, crinkly material is a staple in kitchens across the globe, quietly playing a starring role in our culinary adventures. It's so ubiquitous, yet its creation remains a mystery to many. Isn't it intriguing how something so commonplace can hold such secrets? Today we dive into the fascinating world of aluminum foil, exploring its journey from raw material to your kitchen drawer. Stay tuned as we unravel the intriguing process behind the making of aluminum foil. To understand the creation of aluminum foil, we first need to delve into the history of aluminum itself. Now buckle up, as we are about to embark on a fascinating journey through time. Aluminum, the third most abundant element on Earth, was once considered more precious than gold. Yes, you heard it right, more precious than gold. But why, you may ask? Well, it all boils down to the difficulty in extracting it. Despite its abundance, aluminum is typically found in a compound form, making its extraction a complex process. It wasn't until the early 19th century that aluminum was first isolated by a Danish chemist named Hans Christian Ørsted. However, the process was not economically viable. Fast forward to 1886, and two young chemists, Charles Martin Hall of America and Paul Héroult of France, independently invented a method now known as the Hall-Héroult process. This process made the extraction of aluminum from its ore both practical and affordable, paving the way for its widespread use. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, aluminum began to play a pivotal role in various industries. Its lightweight, strength, and resistance to corrosion made it an ideal material for a wide range of applications. From construction and transportation to packaging and household goods, aluminum was everywhere. Interestingly, before the advent of aluminum foil, this versatile metal was used in the printing industry for lithographic plates. It was also widely used in the aerospace industry, helping to lighten the load of aircraft and spacecraft alike. Even today, aluminum's use in the aerospace industry remains significant. Aluminum's journey from being a precious metal to becoming an everyday material is truly intriguing. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. And yet, the story doesn't end there. The invention of aluminum foil was a game-changer, taking this versatile metal to a whole new level. Now let's turn our attention to the birth of aluminum foil. This remarkable story begins in the late 19th century, with two Swiss inventors, Dr. Lauber, Neher, and Sie. They developed a process to produce thin sheets of aluminum in 1886, and by 1910, the first aluminum foil rolling plant, Dr. Lauber, Neher, and Sie, Eemshofen, was up and running. This new product was initially used to replace gold leaf in the production of chocolates, offering a cheaper and more accessible alternative. However, it didn't take long for the industrial world to see the potential of aluminum foil. Its lightweight, non-toxic nature, and ability to form a complete barrier against light, oxygen, and bacteria made it a game-changer. By the early 20th century, aluminum foil began to make its way into kitchens across the globe, revolutionizing food storage and preparation. Its heat conductivity and resistance to water and oil made it ideal for cooking, grilling, and preserving food. Not to mention its flexibility allowed it to mold to any shape, making it a versatile tool in the culinary world. The inventors couldn't have predicted the vast array of uses their invention would garner. From scientific research and technology to art and decoration, the applications of aluminum foil expanded far beyond the confines of the kitchen. With the invention of aluminum foil, the stage was set for this versatile product to become a household staple. So how exactly does aluminum transform into the thin, shiny foil we all know? Let's embark on this remarkable journey. It all starts with bauxite, a red mineral found in abundance around the world. Bauxite ore is mined and then transported to a processing plant where it undergoes a process called Bayer's process. Here, the bauxite ore is mixed with a hot solution of sodium hydroxide, which leaches out the aluminum oxide, separating it from iron and other impurities. The resultant mixture is then heated to evaporate the water, leaving behind a white powder known as alumina. This alumina is a valuable substance as it's the precursor to our end product, aluminum foil. Next, the alumina is transported to a smelting plant where it is mixed with cryolite and subjected to a high electric current in a process known as electrolysis. This melts the alumina and separates the aluminum, which sinks to the bottom of the vat. This is where the magic begins. The molten aluminum is then siphoned off, cooled, and formed into large blocks called ingots. These ingots are then sent to a rolling mill. Here they are heated to a specific temperature and passed between large rollers to thin them out. This rolling process is repeated several times, with the aluminum becoming thinner with each pass. Eventually, the aluminum is coiled and cooled, then uncoiled and passed through the rollers again. Each time, the aluminum becomes thinner and thinner until it reaches the desired thickness of aluminum foil. The final step involves a process called annealing, where the foil is heated in a furnace to remove any oils and work hardening that occurred during the rolling process. This also helps to increase the foil's flexibility, making it easier to fold and shape. After annealing, the foil is cooled, then rolled onto large spools ready for packaging and distribution. And there you have it, the transformation of raw bauxite into the everyday essential aluminum foil. So, the next time you reach for that roll of aluminum foil, remember the fascinating journey it has taken. From its humble beginnings buried deep within the earth, aluminum was once considered more precious than gold. It took the cleverness of early innovators to discover the extraction process and the ingenuity of the late 19th century inventors to bring forth the creation of aluminum foil. This extraordinary product is not just a kitchen staple, it's a testament to human innovation. The manufacturing process is a marvel of modern engineering. It involves the extraction of bauxite, refining it into alumina, reducing it to create pure aluminum, and finally, rolling it into the thin, shiny foil we use every day. It's quite a journey for something we often take for granted, isn't it? But that's the beauty of progress. It turns the extraordinary into the everyday. Who knew that something so common could have such an extraordinary story? Now you know the secret behind the making of aluminum foil.